Dodge offers a wide variety of mechanical power transmission components, including tapered bushings, V-belt, and synchronous belt mechanical drives, as well as elastomeric and metallic coupling designs. This installation video focuses on shaft preparation methods for all styles of Dodge power transmission components. Proper shaft preparation leads to easier installation, reduced fretting corrosion, and improved equipment reliability. Make sure to use all required personal protection equipment, including but not limited to hand, eye, and ear protection. Also, before working on any rotating equipment, confirm that the equipment is disabled using proper lockout/tagout procedures. Before beginning any installation, confirm that you have ordered and received the correct parts. Using calipers or micrometers, verify that the bore and shaft diameters match, and also fall within the recommended tolerance ranges. The next step is to condition the shafts. Use a non-flammable solvent to remove any oils or dirt from the shafts. Emery paper should be used to remove any rust, nicks, or burrs from the shaft, with a large file being used for larger nicks or burrs. Once the shaft is conditioned, clean your components using a cloth dampened with a non-flammable solvent. This will ensure that all rust-preventative coatings applied at the manufacturing plant are removed. Next, add the key to the key seat of the shaft. It is important that the key is cut long enough to allow for engagement through the full length of the bore. Using a key shorter than the length through bore of the coupling can lead to stress concentrations in the key, shaft, and connected component. It is also important to ensure that there is a small amount of clearance at the top of the key, while providing a tight side-to-side fit. Failing to leave a clearance above the key can lead to the production of high stresses and the possibility of premature failure. This concludes the Dodge PT Components Shaft Preparation Module.